Hello guys, welcome to Britton Farm Homestead. This is April. Thanks for dropping in. If you're liking our videos, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell notification, leave a comment down below. Today we are going to go over the aftermath of the storm we just had. We had a huge rainstorm come through. There was tornado warnings. Luckily we didn't get any. Some people in Alabama, over in Alabama, got some. I'm praying for you guys. I hope everybody is well. We're going to go over the storm damage, what we had to do to our chickens. The chicken house was standing in water, so we had to turn them out so they could not be in water. We also going to go ahead and show you a video of us turning up our garden, getting ready to go ahead and plant soon. It's a good thing we didn't plant anything because it was standing in water also for almost 2 days. So we're going to go over that, and I'm also going to go and do a little tour of our fruit trees, currant trees, apple trees, pear trees, peach trees. I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you. There's about a 10-day lapse in the first shots of the fruit trees to the last shots, but I'll let you know which ones are which. But they're blooming and it's going to get cold, and I'm afraid we're going to lose all of our fruit this year, but we'll see about that. Hang in there. We're going to go check out the storm damage, and we're going to look at the garden being tilled up, and also go ahead and check out the fruit trees. Also wanted to show you things that are putting buds on right now that really shouldn't be, because it's gonna get cold again, it's gonna frost and just ruin all these buds, and we're not gonna get any fruit off these trees. So this is a currant tree, and I'll show you. You can see there, it's just budding all over the place. It's going to bloom, it's gonna frost, and it's gonna freeze every one of these off of this tree, and it's just loaded down with buds waiting to open and get froze. This is the tamed blackberry bush, which means tamed, it has no thorns. This is the bush that we got all the blackberries off of last year. It is not budding or anything as of yet. It's still in its dormant state. We've cleaned out, we've cut it back, you know, the shoots that come up from the new growth that has to be cut out every year. We've went ahead and cut all that out. But this is doing okay. But this blueberry bush that's over here, look at it, guys, just buds, full of buds, which are gonna get frozen, and we're not gonna have any blueberries. which is super sad. It's just loaded down with them. And there's nothing we can do about it. It basically happens because it gets really cold and then it warms up, which that's what it's done. That blizzard or Arctic blast came through, and it was anywhere from, I don't know, 12 to 15 degrees for a week. And now it's sunny and 60 degrees, and it's March the 3rd. There's gonna be more frost, and these are gonna open all up and get frozen off. Again, another tree. This one is a apple tree. It is getting ready to just bud on out. It's got put its buds on, and they're gonna get frozen off. And wait till you see the peach tree. It's in full bloom already. Tree. It is beautiful, but it is in full bloom, and every bit of this is just gonna be lost, which is super sad because, you know, if it did well, that's a lot of peaches that are not gonna make it. But they are truly a beautiful bloom. Going to check on the chickens. It's been raining a lot and the field flooded. We're going to check on the chickens. I had to open the coop last night because part of the coop was standing in water, so my chickens didn't have to stand in water. So we're going to go check that out. Also going to show you some of the trees that are blooming that shouldn't be, but in an earlier video on March the 3rd, I took a picture of the currant tree. Now it is blooming. This is the currant tree. It's blooming. Got beautiful blooms on it there. And it's gonna get down to 32 degrees tonight. So we may lose all the currants. But we'll see. Sometimes things make it and sometimes they don't. And it gets really cold. It's really windy out here today. But it gets really cold, and then it gets up to like 70 degrees, and the trees think it's springtime and it's time to bloom and the frost is over with. That is not the case. But we also have a pear tree down here putting on buds. Our peach tree is already fully bloomed. I did a video on that earlier. I'm going to combine both of these videos. But we have a pear tree down here that's working on putting on some buds and blooming. It's not quite bloomed out all the way yet, but it's working on it. Let's see. This is the pear tree. And as you can see, it's working on blooming. Ooh, there comes the sunshine. And last night is heck of storms that come through. We just got a lot of rain, but in Alabama there was some tornadoes. I hope everybody is well there and doing okay. This is also a pear tree. Putting on blooms. But let's go check on these chickens. I got a treat to give them. My elderberry bush is putting on leaves right now, and I may get a video of it later. It's a massive tree or bush. It's supposed to be a bush, but it's just went wild for a long time. I don't know that you can see it from here. I would just shoot the video from here, but I'll probably have to scale the fence and get over there with it. But let's go check on these chickens. So all the grown chickens are out here and they look like they're doing fine. Somebody was cleaning out their freezer, gave us some fully cooked chicken breasts, or chicken thighs, sorry, and they were freezer burnt. So these little cannibals is going to take care of that for us. They appreciate it. So we're going to go inside and check on the little guys and see that everybody's doing okay inside the coop. Out here, see how everybody's doing. Oh, there's the smaller chickens. Or the younger ones, the teenage chickens, I guess. And here's the babies. They look like they're doing fine. All is well. We got 4 guys in here. And then we got 4 teenage chickens. If you saw the video that I integrated with the big chickens, they look like they're doing fine. And right over here was where it was standing in water. Oh, somebody may be about to lay an egg. I hear somebody fussing in there. Yeah. I think she's fixing to make it happen. Oh, she decided no. She's not gonna do that. Okay. I'll get out of here and let you do your business. So all the chickens are doing just fine, which is great. They weathered through fine last night in the weather. We're gonna go right out here and show you our garden spot, which was standing in water, and the neighbor's house is still standing in water. But we're gonna go out here and check this out. It's a mess. There was a lot of rain last night. Here's the peach tree that I showed in an earlier video. And it just did its full bloom. And if it doesn't get frozen, we'll have plenty of peaches. We'll see. Just in the turnaround of my grandmother's driveway here. This is our garden plot over here. All of this was just standing in water for almost 2 days. But the neighbor's yard is just covered in water. And there was water out in our field over here. There was just water everywhere. But this water you see standing out here, where they have their trailers and all their outbuildings, the neighbor's house, all this water was all the way out here to this yellow truck, all the way out to the driveway, and was crossing the driveway. And then it came all the way back up here and covered this end of the garden. So it was a lot of rain. The goats hoping I have some kind of treat for them. We also had 2 new baby goats born yesterday during all the rain, but she was smart. She got in the goat pen house, chicken house, whatever. She got in the barn and had her babies. So I just wanted to show y'all a little bit what was going on with all the water and chaos we had last night. If you're liking our videos, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Go ahead and leave a comment down below for me. I try to reply to everybody's comments. And God bless you. I hope you have a great day.